Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fully reset Firebase Studio. So in order to do that there are several methods. The first method is just go to settings, go over here in the settings, okay, and then afterwards you just need to click this option, open settings JSON, and then you need to just remove everything whatever we have in the curly brackets, okay, just remove it and do Control S. Afterwards, okay, save this file and just close it. Okay, this is one method. Another method is just go to this option, go to view and go over here and just type open view settings. Okay, open user settings, not open view settings, open user settings. You need to type this open user settings JSON, and everything has been deleted. Okay, I have already deleted everything from my JSON file from this settings. Okay, this is one method of removing everything from the JSON file. Okay, so these are two methods that you can use to reset everything from Firebase Studio. In the end, I will request you to please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.